Welcome back to Resilient Automation Solution. Today, I'm going to show you how to optimize your IoT traffic by integrating an MQTT broker into a powerful HMI at the edge, eliminating the need for additional hardware while keeping your machine data secure, managed, and enterprise-ready. But first, imagine this. You've got hundreds of IO-Link devices on your factory floor, all pushing data to the cloud. Sounds smart, right? But your central MQTT broker is drowning in a flood of raw, unfiltered messages. Bandwidth costs are soaring. Your network team is frustrated. And most of that data isn't even useful up there. The common mistake? Having every IO-Link master published directly to the enterprise. At small scale it works, but as you grow, it becomes a recipe for network congestion, high costs, and a vulnerable attack surface. We need a better way. That better way is a hierarchical edge architecture. Instead of sending everything straight up, we put intelligence at the machine level. A local node collects, filters, and contextualizes data, forwarding only what's truly needed. This reduces traffic, improves security, and keeps local control loops fast. But what if the HMI you already have could also act as that edge gateway? With an edge panel, such as the FactoryTalk Optics, we can run a built-in MQTT broker right on the panel. All IO-Link masters on the machine publish to this local broker. The panel becomes the single data hub, no extra hardware required. Reach out to us via the link in the description below for a more in-depth conversation.